My dear students, our today's topic is modern physics or atomic nucleus. Now we will go through natural radioactivity. It was Sir Henry Becquerel who kept certain quantity of uranium. Uranium is now referred as a heavy element. The quantity of uranium was placed in a drawer with a key made of metal. And after some days, he observed that there was a print of key on the paper. And he was astonished to see the print of the key, and he thought how this print of key is observed. Then he concluded that three special kinds of rays are emitted from nucleus of uranium. Uranium nucleus is a heavy nucleus, and keep in your mind that uranium has atomic number 92 and their isotopes are 235, 236, 237, 238, etc. Their mass numbers, and the neutron-proton ratio is nearly 3:2. If the neutron-proton ratio be 3:2 and atomic number be greater than 206, that is called heavy element, and that nucleus is called heavy nucleus. Now, the natural radioactivity was, what is natural radioactivity? Sir Becquerel observed that from the heavy nucleus of uranium, certain three kinds of rays, alpha, beta, gamma, were emitted. The nucleus is disintegrated spontaneously. That is, spontaneous disintegration of uranium nucleus takes place. Nothing can prevent this disintegration, like application of pressure, temperature, presence of magnetic field, presence of electric field. Anything cannot prevent this radioactive emission. So it's a natural phenomenon and it is spontaneous phenomenon. That is, we can precise in the context that natural radioactivity is a natural phenomenon by virtue of which a heavy nucleus undergoes spontaneous disintegration along with emission of three special kinds of rays, alpha, beta, gamma, and formation of new elements. So natural radioactivity is a combination of three phenomena. Number one, spontaneous disintegration of heavy nucleus. Number two, emission of these special kinds of rays, alpha, beta, gamma, and formation of new elements. When alpha, beta, and gamma rays are emitted from a heavy nucleus, then new elements are formed. Now, we have to know what is alpha ray, what is beta ray, and what is gamma ray. Alpha ray is a combination of alpha particles. One alpha particle is analogous to helium nucleus. Alpha particle consists of two proton and two neutron. Alpha rays contain alpha particles. Now, what is alpha particle? Alpha particle is equivalent to helium nucleus. In an alpha particle, there are two protons and two neutrons. So, alpha particle contains 2 units of positive charge, that is the total charge of one proton into 2, and it has the mass of 4 into proton or neutron. That is alpha particle. Beta particle is analogous to 1 electron. It is also emitted from the nuclear part of the atom. And how is electron emitted from nuclear part of the atom. Now see, in a neutron, there is one proton and one electron. Actually, one proton and one electron are present in a neutron, and one proton and electron neutralize each other. They have same quantity of positive and negative charge. During emission of beta particle, this neutron decomposes to form one proton and one electron. And keeping the proton, this electron is emitted in the form of beta particle. That is, one electron equal to beta particle. Beta particle is equivalent to or analogous to one electron. So beta particle has the charge of one electron, and beta particle has the mass of one electron, and alpha particle, beta particle and gamma rays both can penetrate the opaque substances like lead bar, lead plate, lead rod, etc. And the penetrating power of beta particle is less than alpha particle. The penetrating power of beta particle is greater than alpha particle, and that of gamma is greater than beta particle. Now, what is gamma? Gamma rays. Gamma rays is one kind of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave. It does not contain any massive particle. It is chargeless, uncharged, and move as fast as light. It can penetrate the opaque substances. Its penetrating power is maximum. Now we will make a précis of alpha, beta and gamma particle, and we will compare them with respect to their mass, charge, penetrating power and ionizing power. They alpha, beta, gamma, when passes through gas, they ionize the gas, and we will compare them with respect to those. Now we are comparing this. Now we will make a table to compare these three rays. This is alpha, beta and gamma. Now the topics regarding alpha particle, beta particle and gamma rays. Alpha particle equal to 2 proton plus 2 neutron. Beta particle equal to 1 electron. This is gamma electromagnetic wave, EM wave. It has no particle. Now mass, number 1. Number 2, charge. Number 3, penetrating power. Number 4, ionizing power or capacity. Now mass of one alpha particle is mass of 4 protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons are considered as same with regard to mass. It has 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg mass of 1 proton or neutron. So 4 protons or neutron has the mass 4 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. That is 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Beta particle has mass of 1 electron, that is 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So it has less mass than one alpha particle, and gamma rays are electromagnetic waves, so it has no mass 0. Charge of one alpha particle is charge of 2 protons, that is 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb plus charge. Beta particle has 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb minus charge. Gamma has no charge. Regarding mass and charge, gamma is nil. Penetrating power of alpha particle is least. It can penetrate very fine plate of lead. Beta particle has medium penetrating power. It can penetrate more thick lead plate, and gamma has maximum penetrating power. It can penetrate lead bar nearly 1 meter thickness. Ionizing power of alpha is maximum. It is medium. Beta always medium, and gamma has minimum ionizing power. So alpha is first in case of 3 cases. With regards to mass, charge and ionizing power, alpha is the first, and with regards to those, gamma is least, 0, 0 and 0, 0. Penetrating power of alpha is minimum and penetrating power of gamma is maximum. Beta has medium, and with respect to all mass, charge, penetrating power and ionizing power or capacity, beta has placed medium. And this is regarding the properties of alpha, beta and gamma rays. Thank you, my students. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.